Just got this Whirlpool French door refrigerator. And so if you're planning to buy one thing that we didn't realize was that it takes about 12 to 24 hours. The quick setup says it takes 24 hours before your refrigerator cools. So they don't suggest putting in food until after 24 hours. And so let me show you the quick start guide. And over here, sorry about the shakiness. Wait 24 hours for refrigerator to cool completely before adding food. The food is added before, if food is added before the refrigerator has cooled completely, food may spoil. If you just had it installed and you're hoping to put in your food, you may have to wait 24 hours. Some people from their own user experience might say it just takes a few hours. For me, I would say it took maybe 12 hours. But again, I have no scientific proof. Take what you want from this. I'm just reading off of the easy setup guide, which says wait 24 hours. And it's something to keep in mind. And that's why we kind of had a cooler around here. So having a cooler and putting your food in there and then finally putting it into your refrigerator is something to consider.